Today, we're diving deep into the world of eggplant, exploring its unknown benefits that might just surprise you. Eggplants, scientifically called Solanum melongena L, are nightshade vegetables. They are grown worldwide and, though popularly known for their purple color, come in various forms and colors. An eggplant's nutritional value is that it's low-carb, low-calorie, and a good fiber source. Antioxidants can help reduce cell damage in the body. Eggplant contains many antioxidants, such as polyphenols like phenolic acids and flavonoids. They are usually oval-shaped, but Asian varieties from China and Japan are long and thin. Additionally, there are small, ornamental white eggplants that are also edible, as well as green and orange varieties. From its rich nutritional profile to its versatility in the kitchen, eggplant is truly a vegetable worth getting to know. So, without further ado, let's jump into the unknown benefits of eggplant. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Eggplant, also known as aubergine, is often underestimated, but did you know it's a nutritional powerhouse? Let's break down its impressive nutritional profile. Eggplant is low in calories, but high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight management and digestive health. Eggplant contains important nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting overall health and well-being. 2. Heart health benefits. Now, let's talk about the heart health benefits of eggplant. Research suggests that the compounds found in eggplant, such as nasonenin and chlorogenic acid, may contribute to reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Nasonenin, a powerful antioxidant in eggplant, helps protect the heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, chlorogenic acid has been linked to lower blood pressure levels. Including eggplant in your diet can be a heart-healthy choice. 3. Weight management and diabetes control. For those of you watching your weight or managing diabetes, eggplant can be a valuable addition to your meals. Its high fiber content helps with satiety, keeping you fuller for longer, and may assist in controlling blood sugar levels. Fiber plays a crucial role in weight management and diabetes control. It adds bulk to your meals without adding extra calories. 4. Skin and hair benefits. Now, let's switch gears and explore how eggplant can benefit your skin and hair. Who would have thought that this humble vegetable could have beauty benefits too? The vitamins A and C, along with the antioxidants, help protect the skin from oxidative stress and promote a healthy complexion. Additionally, eggplant can be used in DIY masks for glowing skin. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Anti-inflammatory properties are crucial for overall health, and eggplant has something to offer in this department too. Let's explore how the compounds in eggplant may help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, including arthritis. Eggplant contains compounds like nasonenin and anthocyanins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. While not a cure, including eggplant in a balanced diet may contribute to managing inflammation. 6. Cooking versatility. Now that we've covered the health benefits, let's talk about the versatility of eggplant in the kitchen. From appetizers to main courses, eggplant can be the star of a variety of delicious and nutritious dishes. From its nutritional richness to its diverse culinary applications, eggplant is truly a hidden gem in the world of vegetables. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.